Today we're headed to Jamaica, but definitely a trip with a difference because this is a little bit after Hurricane Melissa. I really didn't have too many expectations from this trip except to do one thing, and that was to give back. It's so funny, when I had gotten to the gate, I didn't have a seat yet, and it's almost as if God placed in the mind of the representative that I was going back to serve, and they put me in first class, literally first class to go serve. If that isn't a testimony, I don't know what is. The truth is, I like flying, but I don't love flying. And I honestly felt a sense of peace come over me knowing that I was going home. Not only because I would have been able to see family, but also because I knew I was on a mission to serve. When I saw the greenery trying to emerge from the mountains again, I said, yes, I know that God is working, and I know that we are on the way to recovery. The truth is, we are not going to be fully recovered for a very long time. And I want people to understand that this will be an ongoing effort. This is something that people will be talking about for years and years to come. Yes, the visuals aren't perfect, but we are a resilient nation, and I do want to emphasize that we are going to build back and we are going to be stronger as a result of this. A lot of people have asked me, is now the right time to go to Jamaica? Should I wait? Honestly, still go. Go to Jamaica, support Jamaica, do what you can in this time as we find our normal again. Looking forward to showing you guys more about how I served, and I hope you enjoy your next trip to Jamaica whenever that might be.